Hi there and welcome to my channel. My name is Shivangi and I'm excited to be your guide into the world of data science. So in my last video, I talked about different kinds of data set, different kinds of data analysis that are done, what are the different steps that are involved in data analysis. And now in today's video, this is a quick tutorial on how to load a data set and then perform a quick data visualization. So as you can see on the screen, I have a supermarket sales data. We have invoice ID, branch, city, customer type, right? Right from gender, product line, and then we have certain unit prices. There's a date and time. There's payment type data. This is a cost of goods sold, gross margin percentage, gross income, and then the customer rating. So let's quickly load this data set. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to import my libraries. Since I'm going to do data visualization, so I'm going to import matplotlib. Okay, and then import Seaborn, and then it's also import date time. So yeah, it's executed. Now let's load our data frame. So the name of the data frame is supermarket underscore sales.csv. So I'm going to read CSV. This is the function that you use to read any CSV file, and then you assign it to a data frame, right? So the name is supermarket dot, sorry, I think it's underscore sales dot CSV. Yeah. So if there's a sheet, like you have data in two sheets, so you can also have an attribute called sheet name, and then you can specify the sheet that you want to pick. So this data has been loaded. Let's have a look. So you can use a function called df.head to visualize it, to kind of see the first five rows from your data set, and you can see that these are the first 5 rows. You can also specify if you want to see, let's say 20 rows, right? Top 20 rows. You can also have a look at tail. So right now you're seeing the top 20 rows. The tail is similarly for the last 5 rows, and you can also specify, let's say if you want to see 20. So these are the last 20 rows, right? So let's go back to df.head. Okay. Now this is my data frame. I'm going to show you how to add a column first, right? So I want to add, let's say, a year or month column. So let me first name it as year and month. We have dates here, but I think it's better, since there are 1,000 entries, so I think it's better to break them into either weeks or months, right? So just for simplicity, I'm going to keep it months. So now we have pd.to date. I'm going to convert my date attribute. So yeah, I've added this and now it's executed. Let's have a look. So you can see now, corresponding to these different dates, we have these different months data. All right, now moving on. So I'm gonna first set my I'm gonna just set this figure up. Now I'm going to start plotting. So the first basic plot that I'm going to do is a bar plot. So you can use SNS, which is Seaborn, and I'm calling the bar plot function. Now I have to define where is the data, right? So the first data set is, of course, my data frame, which is called DF. So I say that pick values from this data frame. On the x-axis, what do I want? I want to see how my different branches, let's say, using what's the gross income, right? So you can do that, and yes, you can see that, okay, this is the gross income from all of my 3 branches. Now let's say you want to split it up, right? So there are different categories. For example, how much is coming from what gender, right? So I break that up. So yeah, you can see that from branch A, B, and C, max is coming from my female customers, right? And then you can also have a look not just for my branch but also for my product line overall, and see the different breakup for my different customers here. So this is the basics of bar plot. Now you can definitely dive deeper. You can check different combinations here and have a look at different customer types and their ratings for that matter. So now let's move to the second kind, which is called line plot. Now in this line plot, I want to specifically see the trend of my ratings, let's say. So on the x-axis, I'm going to have my DF of your month. I am going to convert it to a string type explicitly. So the reason being that I did not specify its type above, right? And now in my y, I'm gonna have rating. Let's see. Yeah. Now you see that what I can observe is in the first month it's 7, and then here also it's good. It dipped in the third month. So now I might be interested to see which branch. Is it like a specific branch, or is it true for all the branches? And you see that it is dipped the most for my branch B, right? So now I would like to see, let's say, where did it go wrong, right, in my branch B. So let's say I make a branch B dataset, which is nothing but like a basic query on my DF, where I'm just saying that my branch is equal to B, right? So it's just gonna choose everything where my branch is B, and I'm gonna pass that here. Now I want to see in my branch B, is there like a specific product line? Let's say I want to analyze a product line which has caused a certain dip. Yeah, so here you can see that this line right here is the one that's dipped a lot, which is home and lifestyles, right? So you can reach out to the home and lifestyle people and tell them that the rating is dipped. On average it's below 6 and stuff, so which needs like attention, right? You can also let's say look at a specific gender. I'm sorry, this is supposed to, so you gotta be careful with your so it's dipped for our male customers, and you can then probably have a look at and where your gender is equal to male. So I could then look at my product line, and yes, so you can see how it's shipped. It's gone below for my health and beauty. So I think it's specific to branch B, and you can make those insights from your trend rating. Now similarly, you can also do this kind of dive deep, understand the breakup for different categories inside each of your categories, and that can provide good insights. So this is like the first level of data visualization. If you like the video, please hit a thumbs up, and then subscribe to the channel for more such content. Thanks. Bye.